How to add Wendy's gift card to app. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pippen Business, and today I'll guide you on how you can add Wendy's gift card to app. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to add Wendy's gift card to app, you want to simply open up your app and log into your account. Unfortunately, I'm unable to log in here. But once you're logged in, as you can see at the bottom of your screen, you shall get an interface. There are options such as home, offers, order, find, and account. So what you want to do is you want to simply tap on the account option or the accounts tab at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once here, you can see various options, but once you're logged in, you'll get other options as well. And one of the options will be gift card. So you can simply tap on gift card option there and you can go ahead and redeem it there. So this is how you can easily add Wendy's gift card to app. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.